Okay, honest gaming lang po tayo. 3 points by Limpaya. Okay. No good. Okay, 2 points. Box out lang yung ginawa ni Pascual, ha? 5-3. Eto naman po, sobrang bilis na naman po natin. Okay, Jerwin no good pa sa palayon. Pero sayang, kala ko shoot na si Sir John Ray. Hindi pa nakakatawid. Hindi pa nakakatawid yung bola. Bola po ang titignan natin doon. 2 points by Sir CM. Score 7-3. Confusing lang yun, pero bola ang titignan natin doon. 3 again by Limpayan. Score 7-6. Okay. Two points. Okay, fall down. Eleven, 6. Tandaan. Okay, foul. Maasa mo sa ilalim yun. Yung maliit na yun. Okay, 2 points. Score 11-8. Okay, dribbling the ball. Nice pass. Binalukuli kay Karingal. Karingal to CM. Sir CM. Oh no, malakas na. Pero pasa. 5 seconds. Okay, fall down. Okay. John, 2 points. 13-8. Three. Grabe naman yun. Back to back to back. Oy, bunawi ng kakampi. 15-11. Okay. Nice pass. Try again. 3. Grabe naman yun. Grabe. 17-14. Okay, foul daw, foul muna. Labas na po. Grabe naman po si Limpaya. Back to back. Ang ganda ng defense eh. Pero mas better lang yung offense. Malakas. Rebound by CM. Sir CM dribbling the ball. Oy, Sir CM, no good. Okay. Pasa pala yun. Oh! Okay. Bihira sumablay yun. Steal by Parga. To Jerwin. Jerwin, 2 points. Oh, ang ganda naman ng triangle offense na yun. Karingal, 3. 20-16. Apat lang, kinakabol niya. Okay. Malayo. Oo, mamaya. Sa iba na siya. Okay. Okay, no good. Nice rebound by Sir CM. Oy, sayang.
Late ka na nag-umpisa.
Okay. Pull up is good. 2018, hindi sanay na nakapaa yun eh. Score 2018. No good. Sayang. Unselfish pass, sayang lang. Masyado naging komportable. Sir Ray, nice drop, nice fake, nice shot. All 20. Nice ha. Ang ganda nung habol na yun. Carigal, 3 points. 23-20, pamatay sunog. Last 45 seconds. Kala ko, iisa pa. Last 40 seconds. Baswell. Oy, kala ko pabuhian ng perimeter. Last 20 pa. Mahaba pa po oras. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Seven seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Change score. Bola po dito ha. Score 22-23. Okay, uminom po yung iinom ha. Score 22-23. Lamang po ng isa ang Team CL. Kariingan, lamang kayong isa ha. Dito bola. Wait lang po tayo, may nainom lang. Okay. Ready na ba? Okay, bola po ha. Bola. Okay, back to the bogey. Sir Jadre. Jadre, naipit, nice. Nice ping. Yun, okay, foul. Grabe yun. Ang lakas makakuha ng ping. 3! Lamang na po sila ng dalawa ha. Ang Team Pargal, lamang na po ng dalawa. Okay. Jad. Sayang. Hindi nasa ni Baswell. Okay, dribbling na po. Nice. Nice fake by Pargal. Jerwin, 2 points by Sir Jerwin. Score 27-23. Okay. Nice steal by Jervin. Pinasa kay Sir Jandre. Jandre, lista mo na. Score 29-23. Nagkakaroon na po ng separation. Matutuloy ba to? Wow! Bad. Steal attempt yun. Score 29-25. Limpayan dribbling the ball. Nice to Jervin. Nice pick. Nablangka ni Mengjola. Okay, Limpayan. No good. Rebound by Rafael. To John. John, veteran shot is good. Grabe, nawala ang depensa. Jervin. Nice pick, nice drop. Jervin, no good. Rebound by John. John, 2 points, score all 29. Sayang. Matigas yung binangka. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Limpayan na-anticipate. Okay, foul. Bola po ng Team CM. Okay ka lang, Patrick? Okay. Back to the ball game. Karingal pinasa kay Mengjola. Mengjola. Hindi pwede kay para kayong ganoon. Oh! Hesi move. Okay, good. Tumama sa rin. Nice block. 5 seconds. Oh, wait lang. Wait. Okay, labas muna. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Jervin, no good. Score all 29, ha? Ang ganda naman ang defense ni Parga. Pero libre-libre si Basuel. Oy! Munti kang panlumabas. 29-31 lamang napuli ng dalawang Team CM. Oy! Sayang! Rebound by Rafael. Kinuha ni Karingal. Karingal dribbling the ball. Pull up is teardrop pala, sorry. 29-33. Lamang na po ng 4, ha. Hindi pa nakakasagot ang Team Parga. Pero mukhang eto na. Sayang. Nabura yung ano. Wow! Foul daw. Laking foul. Time remaining 2 minutes 40 seconds. Rafael. "12 seconds. Yun pala yun. 2 points by John. Score 29-35. Okay, good. Okay, foul down sa ulo. Pero nakuha na naman eh. 2 minutes 10 seconds. Dito po ang bola. Labas lang. Uy, grabe ang talo ni. Last 2 minutes. CM 2 points. Follow through. Okay, foul. 1 minute 40 seconds. Okay. Parga, no good. Rebound by Sir CM. rebound by Jerwin. Jerwin to Sir Janre. Janre, 3 points! Score 32-37. 5 ang hinahabol. John, naipit. Pinasa kay Karingal. Last 1 minute. 5 seconds. Lipayan, 2 points. Last 47 seconds. Tatlo lang po ang kalamangan. 34-37. No need to foul. Oy, kala ko dagger 3. Last 33 seconds. Tatlo lang po. Lalamang. Tatabla. Oy. Free throw, 2. Wala palang foul. Honest na lang po tayo, ha? Honest lang. Parga to Jeremy. No good. Rebound by Sir Janre. Ang ganda. Last 15 seconds. Isa lang po ang hinahabol. Okay. Wait. Okay, traveling. Labas muna po. Wait. Doon nyo po ilalabas yan. Unless magta-time out. Okay, time out. Team Parga. May dalawa pa kayong time out. Sila time out ng isa. 11.1 ha, remind ko ha, vertical lang ang talon ha, at defense at opensa. Hindi ko tatanggapin yung pasabit na intentional. Janre, tumira, no good. Dito bola, 3 seconds. May 3 seconds pa, may 3 seconds. Pwedeng foul game to ha. 2 seconds. Yun lang. Ay, may isang game pa. May lakad ka? Sure ka ha? Okay.